Hello and welcome to the brief guide on how to connect Google Analytics with SEOKart app. Begin by opening your BigCommerce account. From the left-hand side menu panel, navigate to Settings. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and then proceed to Data Solutions. Here, you will see Google Analytics 4. Click on the Connect button. This will prompt you to enter a code, which is available on your Google Analytics 4 account. Now, let's switch to your GA4 account. From the bottom left corner, go to the Admin panel. From the left menus, navigate to Data Collection and Modification, and then to Data Streams. Click on the Web button. In the first input box, enter your website URL and your website name in the second box. Click on Create and Continue. It will take a few moments and then you will be prompted to install. Click on Next. Now copy the code you get, then return to your BigCommerce account. Paste the copied code here and click on Connect. Google Analytics has now been added to your BigCommerce account. Now, let's add this to the SEOKart. Go to the App section and then select SEOKart. On the left-hand menu panel, go to the Analytics section and click on Connect. Now select your mail ID and continue. A dialog box will appear containing your account details. Click on the Submit button. Congratulations, Google Analytics has been successfully added to your store.